Yes, sure. Hurry up, go back in 30 seconds. Till then, I'll write your attendance.
Ma'am,
Who
Cynthia.
is? I have not seen Anukalp attending any classes. Did you see him in any class, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Anukalp
Yesterday
Saxena.
I see him in the English grammar class.
But he's not attending any SST class. I have not seen him even once.
Ma'am, how many?
And also Swarnim Avasthi, you are attending my class for the first time. Where were you all these days?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everybody. And children, those children who have not put their videos on, please put. Put your videos on, everybody.
Ma'am.
Swarnim Avasthi. And who is this Galaxy M21? Put your name, student. Who is this Galaxy M21?
Ma'am, today we will do question number 3.
We will do question number 2. You had just written question number 2. We did not write the answer. Yes?
Ma'am, I have
my water bottle and with my notebook and books.
Very nice.
Ma'am, we have done question number 2.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
have not done.
And ma'am, we have done question number 3 also.
No, ma'am.
Beta,
Ma'am, we have not.
we are on the long answer type, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Long
And ma'am,
answer
we have
type.
completed question number 3 also. Explain the difference between climate of northern mountain and northern plains.
No,
Yes, ma'am, this week-
Adrika, we have not done. Children, we have not done. I have done it for the first time.
Ma'am, we have done. Ma'am, I can show
Ma'am,
you.
done.
Ma'am, we have done.
You must have done it.
No, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Reyansh. Reyansh is going to tell us till where have we done. Question number 2. Explain the difference between the climate of the northern mountains and the northern plains, right?
Ma'am, we have done that question answer also. We are on question 3.
Yes. All of you have done till question number 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Sorry, ma'am, we have not done question number 3.
Yes, we have not done. And I think we have not written also question number 2. We had just discussed in the class. We had not written it. Some of you might have written it on your own. What we did last
Ma'am, you
was.
have given question number 2.
Okay,
Ma'am,
Garv.
you have given.
Garv Agarwal. Garv Agarwal, put your video on. Garv, have you done question? Garv, have you done question number 2? Have you written the answer of question? Yes.
Ma'am, we have done answer 2 also. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we are done with that.
So now let's come on to question number 3. What is question number 3?
Ma'am, the question is write two differences between the eastern and the western coastal plains. Eastern and western coastal plains.
Very nice. So what points are we going to cover up in this answer? First of all, we will talk about the location, right? The first
Yes,
point
ma'am.
that we are going to cover is we will talk about the location. Second, we are going to talk about the rivers that flow through these two areas, right? Since they are asking only for 2 points, we are going to cover up these 2 points. If you want to add on any point from your side, you can add on and delete any point of reverse or location. Now tell me, just go through the book, everybody, and just tell me what points are you going to include. Read it out on page number. You will find the answer on page number 79.
Ma'am, I have not done question to answer.
You will find the answer on page number 79.
Ma'am,
The
I have
coastal region.
Ma'am, I am going to add that eastern coastal plains lie between the Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats.
Beta, this is the location only. This is the location. So the first difference that I told is you will cover up the location of both the coastal plains.
Ma'am, I have not done question to answer.
You have not done question to answer?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
can I send an open chat?
Yes, you can send.
Ma'am, please give me in chat box.
Ma'am, I can tell answer number 3.
Yes. You tell me what points are you going to cover?
Ma'am, I will cover the eastern coastal plains lie between the
That is the
Bay
location.
of Bengal.
That is
Yes,
the
ma'am,
location.
location.
And the next
Ma'am, I
point?
will tell. And ma'am, the rivers that flow through
Yes.
Eastern Ghats.
Very nice.
Eastern coast.
Ma'am, I can drink water.
Drink, beta, drink. Okay. Can you write the answer on your own or you want me to write in the chat box?
Ma'am, I can
Okay.
can write.
Those who can
Ma'am,
write.
but please tell that how we can write.
How we can write? Okay. I am writing in the chat box. You people write from there. And see, there are children who have not done answer number 2. So I am writing answer number 2 also in the chat box.
Ma'am, that I am sharing.
Okay, share. Adrika is sharing answer number 2. I am going to share answer 3. Adrika, make it for everyone. Okay?
Ma'am, we can write question, please.
Yes, right. You have to write. I'm typing the answer. You'll get the answer and then you have to write the answer also.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Ridyan, Saxena, Arushi, Divyang, Pratishtha, Divyanshu, Dhwani, Swarnim. Why are your videos not on? Put your videos on, everybody.
Ma'am, I have sent it answer 2 in chat.
Very nice. Okay. Adrika, you have tried it really good on your own. But children, please don't copy the same answer. I'm going to send you answer number 2 also. This answer was not sent by me, Adrika.
Ma'am, this answer only you have sent it.
Beta and summers are cool. And what is the second point I gave, Adrika? Are you typing the second point also?
Ma'am, you have not given us the second point.
That is what I was telling now. It's not complete. This is not the complete answer. And you people were saying, ma'am, we have done, we have done. This is not the complete answer. I'm going to.
Ma'am, answer 2 you will send in chat box.
Yes, I will send in chat box. Now I have started typing answer number 3. So first of all of you write answer 3 and then complete your answer 2 later. Okay?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, because you have sent this answer in the last of it, so ma'am, I think that meeting has been ended, so
Yes.
I cannot see that.
Yes. It probably must have happened like this.
excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
you send the answer. Ma'am, you say that we have to write by yourself or answer. Second.
No, children, all the answers, these long answers or short answers, I only gave you. I didn't tell you. We just discussed them.
Ma'am, the third question is which
But ma'am, I write question
reason
answer second.
rise
Ma'am,
fall of
resend the
India?
second point of it. Ma'am, can you send the second point of question?
Yes, I will send. Leave some space and start writing the third one.
All right, ma'am. Question.
Hello. बेटा उठो नहीं।
Have very hot.
Whose dog is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Whose dog is it?
Ma'am, I don't have any dog.
I'm not saying it's your dog. Did I say it's Vivek's dog?
Ma'am, it's Adrika's dog. No, ma'am.
Adrika, do you have a dog at home?
Yes, ma'am, I am having, ma'am, but it is playing outside. It is not barking.
Okay. To the
Ma'am, we have to write answer 3 by our own.
No. Now see, I have typed, I have sent answer 3 in the chat box.
Ma'am, it is too long.
Because you are answering questions in detail. It has to be long. But there are only 2 points covered, children.
And what is the question number 3?
Question number 3 is write 2 differences between the eastern coastal plains and the western coastal plains. Now,
Lie between the Bay of Bengal, Bay of Bengal, and the Eastern Ghat, and the and Eastern Ghats. East. East, the western coastal plains. Lie between the
Please stop it.
Bay of Bengal and the Eastern Ghats. Western coastal plains are the rivers that flow through the eastern.
Children, I request all of you to put yourselves on mute mode. And again, I'm telling all of you to put your videos on. Only 3 children I see in the class are sincere and obedient, who follow the instructions. Very good, Arushi.
Ma'am, after the answer 3, you have put it 2 dots.
Those 2 dots are just a gap, children, because next I would be sending you answer number 2. So you don't get confused between the 2. That is why I have sent those 2 dots.
Okay, ma'am.
Now I have sent answer number 2 also. All of you complete answer 2 and answer 3. And then we are going to start. When all of you will do it. Then we'll move to the next one.
Ma'am, what is the second point of answer 3?
The second point is the rivers that flow through the eastern coastal plains are the Mahanadi, the Krishna, the Kaveri, and the Godavari. The rivers that flow through the western coastal plains are the Tapi and the Narmada.
Okay, ma'am, I found it. Thank you.
Children, I'm calling out your names. If I miss anybody's name, please let me know. Swarnim, Devyanshu, Om Agarwal, Mohammad Imad, Anjali Saxena, Pratishtha, Ishant, Ridyansh, Dhwani, Vivek, Reyansh, Divyang, Arushi, and Garv Agarwal. Is there anybody else in the class?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
me.
Ma'am, me.
And me, ma'am.
Tell me your name.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
Atik
Mehul.
Kachori. Om Agarwal.
Om Agarwal, I have already taken your name. Pratyusha, Mehul, and Adrika.
Yes,
Right?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I hope I'm not missing anyone. Swarnim, is it for the first time that you are attending these classes, Zoom classes? Swarnim Avasthi?
Ma'am, you left me.
Yes, I'm asking you, Swarnim, is it for the first time that you are attending these Zoom classes?
Ma'am, your classes I am attending first time.
Okay, my class. Otherwise, you are attending all your classes regularly?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Your phone. Huh? Here?
Ma'am, please write my name also.
Yes, I have missed summer today. Done, children?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I am doing answer two. Ma'am,
Okay. I'll send now. There is, I didn't see in the chat box, there's a message. Ma'am, please send answer number 2 again.
Ma'am, because of network problem of Pratyusha.
Yes.
Ma'am, please wait. I'm doing.
Pratyusha Singh, I have sent it on your wall. Is there anybody else who wants any answer? Swarnim, you have to be regular beta in your classes. It won't go this way that you're not attending your classes. And also Aditya Patel. Try to be
Okay,
punctual.
ma'am.
Try to be punctual. You can't do like this. Whenever you want, you'll attend, you'll enter the class. Are you listening to me, Aditya Patel?
Yes, ma'am.
Put your video on and I told you to rename yourself.
Ma'am, the second point of answer 2 starts from here. The northern mountains receive snowfall during winter while the northern plains experience no
Yes, yes, yes,
snowfall.
yes. Yes, Adrika, it starts from here. The northern mountains receive snowfall.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have done answer.
While the plains experience
Children, see, while attending the classes, if you face any problem, like except for joining or sending the link again, if you find any problem, so you should text me personally. Don't send the message on the class group. Is it clear? I can see messages from Pratyusha, from Vivek Singh on the class group.
Ma'am, done.
ma'am done both the questions.
All of you have done, or there is anybody still left?
No, ma'am, I have done.
You have done. What about others? Ridyansh, have you done? Anjali Saxena, put your video on. Pratyusha Singh, put your video on. Ridyansh Saxena, Anjali Saxena. Yes. Pratyusha, Adrika, Anjali, you are gone again. Why? Unmute yourself and speak.
Ma'am, I'm opening chat box.
Okay, so your chat box is open. That is why your videos are off.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I write the answer number 3 on my own?
Very nice. You are supposed to write the answer of question number 3 on your own. Write a short note on islands. Now, before writing, before starting, what points are you going to cover up?
Ma'am, I can
See,
tell.
you have. Yes, you can tell.
Ma'am, the points which
Okay, wait.
We will
Summer,
be
wait. Summer, wait. Summer, wait. I want somebody else to answer. Divyanshu Dev, can you tell? Divyanshu Dev. First of all of you read the paragraph of the islands.
Ma'am, what?
All of you read the paragraph of islands given in your book on page number 79. Divyanshu Dev seems to be missing, huh? Ridyansh Saxena.
can I tell?
Yes, now Divyanshu is back. Divyanshu, unmute yourself and start speaking. Adrika and Samar, please mute yourselves. Pratyusha, mute yourself. See, question number 3 is write a short note on islands.
Yes, ma'am.
So, what points are you going to cover up, Divyanshu? Tell me. See in the book.
Ma'am, the and there are
Yes.
and are placed between water.
No, beta, no. See, you have to write a short note on islands. Now, first of all, we are going to tell that there are two types of islands, two different islands. Okay, sorry, two groups of islands. And then we are going to name both the group of islands. Then, what kind of weather is there? What crop is grown there? We will include these points. So, everybody start writing it yourself. You should cover up 4 points, not more than 4 points. Just write it in points and write 4 points. Will it be a problem writing it? Is there anybody in the class who will not be able to write it? Please tell me.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, can we write the whole paragraph of the island which is given in the book?
Beta, I am telling you to cover up only 4 points.
Ma'am, I am
That is-
answer number 3. So, ma'am, can I write eastern coastal plain lies between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats, but western coastal plain lies between Arabian Sea and Western Ghats?
Yes, beta, absolutely correct.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pratyusha, you can write it. It's absolutely correct.
ma'am, can we write there are two states of island?
Two groups of islands. 2 states. What are 2 states? We have 2 groups of islands. And then you have to name those islands. Okay?
Okay, ma'am, done.
All right. Let's wait for everyone to finish the answer and then everybody will read out their answers. Aditya Patel, are you writing it, beta?
No, ma'am. नहीं मिला.
You did not find the answer?
No, ma'am.
Beta, see on page number 79. Do you have this book? Have you got your SST book?
Yes, ma'am.
You have your SST book with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, have you opened up page number 79?
Yes, ma'am. खोल लिया.
Can you read in the last paragraph? Can you see in the last paragraph that they have given the islands? Now, there are
Yes,
2
ma'am.
group of islands. One is Andaman and Nicobar and second is Lakshadweep. Where is Andaman and Nicobar Island located? That's in the Bay of Bengal. And the Lakshadweep Islands are in the Arabian Sea. Then they have written the main crop grown here is rice. Right? And how is the weather? How is the weather there? The weather is very hot and humid in summers. And the winters are cool. Winters are mild.
Winters are cool.
So this is all. This is all that you have to write. There is nothing difficult. Summer, can you read out what you have written? Samar, unmute yourself. And Aditya, mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am, I am reading. Ma'am, I have written there are two groups of islands in India. They are first the Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Islands in the Arabian Sea. The main crop grown here is rice, coconut trees, and many evergreen trees with woody climbers are found here. And ma'am, the last point is the islands have a hot and humid weather. Winters are mild.
Very nice. Absolutely correct. Anyone else who has written the answer?
Me.
Okay. Adrika, read out what you have written.
Ma'am, I am written the answer.
There are two groups of islands in India. The Andaman and the Nicobar Island in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island in the Arabian Sea. Second point, the main crops grown over here is rice. And the third point is coconut tree and many evergreen trees. Tree climbers are found over here. Now, about climate. The islands have a hot and humid weather. Winters are mild and the summers are hot.
Very good. Very nice.
The Sangeeta ma'am has sent the link.
Better for the next class. So don't worry. You don't have to join now. You have a 15 minutes break after this class. Okay. Then Swarnim, you will read out your answer.
Ma'am, I have written.
Swarnim, if you have written, can you read out the answer?
There are two groups of islands in India. The Andaman and Nicobar Islands in the Bay of Bengal and the Lakshadweep Island is in Arabian Sea. Second point, the main crop grow here in rice. Third point, coconut trees and many evergreen trees with woody climbers are found here. Fourth point, the weather in islands in summer is hot and in winter is